Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? If you're new to my channel but you like what you're seeing, then please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you do not miss on any video that I upload. And for everyone else who's always been here, welcome back. I did a poll on Instagram and I asked you to choose between knowing more about BHMS, that is in terms of the terms that we have here, how does 1 year look like, how does the BA program look like, or for a recipe video, and you chose to know more about how BHMS works, so here it goes. Also guys, my wisdom tooth here is giving me a lot of pain, but I promised you the video, so I'm filming it, so please bear with me, okay? So I am in the postgraduate diploma or the master's program here at BHMS, which is specifically designed for culinary arts. There's also a BA program in culinary arts, which is a 3-year program in which you do your entire graduation specifically in culinary. Yes, they also teach you aspects about hospitality and service, which is included as part of that course. I would suggest that you should visit the BHMS website. I will put the link of the website in the description box, so go there and you can check out the full syllabus as to what interests you, whether it's hospitality, whether it's culinary, and you can see what the course has. Let me tell you about the master's program, the postgraduate diploma program that I am in. Now there are prerequisites to enter the PGD program. Now luckily I have a master's and I also have 7+ years of experience, so that helped me get into the program. There will be an interview, and basis that interview and the application process that you send, all the documents that you send, and the essay that you write, they are going to assess whether you are fit or whether you are a good match for the program and whether you can get in. Now don't get worried about the application process. You have to do that, you have to write your essay. It's actually very easy to do. You can do it yourself. You don't even need too much guidance. Just go through the website, everything is listed there, and when you mail to BHMS, someone from BHMS, some representative will get in touch with you and they will explain the entire process to you, and it is really easy. Trust me, I did it myself and you can do it too. What happens once you arrive in Switzerland? Someone is going to meet you at the airport and they're going to bring you to the city campus. So don't worry about that. If you want to know more about that, you can check out the very first video on my channel, and it shows the entire process of how I came here, how someone came to pick me up, and how I landed up here in this city campus. Now let me tell you what happens once you reach here at BHMS. You start studying. Yay! Now once you start studying, there are 4 terms in every year. Whether you are a BA student, whether you are doing hospitality, whether you're doing culinary, whether you're doing MBA, there are 4 terms each year. These 4 terms are over a 6 months period. So every term is for 5 weeks and then you have a 1 week gap. So in your 5 weeks, first week, you're just getting introduced to the subject. The teachers are going to take you through what is happening. And from the first day, you're going to be in the kitchen. You're going to start with your basics and then you're going to grow on from there. I'm going to make a separate video of how a class is like, so stay tuned for that. Now in your 3rd week, you have the midterm exams, and your 5th week, you have the practical exam. So every term is going to go really fast because it's 5 weeks, then you have a 1 week break, and then again 5 weeks, 1 week break, and like this you cover your 4 terms in 6 months. After that 6 months, you have 6 months of industrial training or the internship, which I'm about to have. I'm still looking for a good internship, so fingers crossed, but there's an internship department who's going to help you to get that internship. Now, if you're doing 3 years, you will have the same structure for 3 years. You will do 6 months of college studies and then 6 months of industrial training. Then you come back again, you do your college studies, and it keeps going on like that. And for master students like me, we do 6 months of training here in college and 6 months of industrial training. and that is how the term system works here at BHMS. There's also a concept of portfolios for culinary students here at BHMS. What is this portfolio? So in the 5 weeks that you're here, you are going to make multiple recipes, right? They encourage you to document it, to take pictures of your dishes, to see the techniques, and then to make a portfolio with the recipes and the pictures. So over the terms, the different portfolios that you make will really help showcase what have you learned so far, where you started and where you have reached and everything that you have done in between. So it's a very interesting way of displaying your work, and I think it's really nice because now I have various portfolios about breads, about cakes and creams, about European cuisine, and people can actually see my plating, they can actually see what I learned, and that will help an employer pick me for a job when I apply, because they can actually see that I can do what I'm saying on my resume. Now about the industrial training, well, I have still not gone for my industrial training, so once I go for that, I will tell you more about it, and I will tell you how the whole process is like, and what can you expect, and what to do for that industrial training. But till then, this is what the 6 months are going to look like for you here at BHMS, and I hope that you found this video interesting and it answered your doubts. And if you liked what you saw, I'm going to ask you to leave a comment, to like the video, share the video, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.